Welcome back, partners! Today, we're showcasing a custom mono human hair toupee designed for both durable and comfort. The base combines 1-inch fine welded mono at the front, PU coating around the perimeter, and fine mono in the center, offering durability, breathability, and a secure fit. Crafted from 100% Chinese virgin hair, this piece measures 18 inches with a straight texture, ensuring softness, longevity, and versatile styling. Additionally, our craftsmanship creates an incredibly natural front hairline. The color features a number 2 dark brown base with number 27 highlights in a 30% chessboard blend, adding natural depth and dimension. This custom design reflects Bono Hair's commitment to premium craftsmanship and tailored solutions for wholesale clients. Contact us today to start customizing your orders